guys, and we're back with another video of Dragon City, and I have hatched my pure nature dragon. He has two animations. This is one of them. So he grows a rose behind him, and then he hops into it, and then he sniffs the nose and blows it, and then he shakes his head because his eyes are all lit up. I'll lead him to the next form, teenager. So it rains, and then he kind of wants to grow, but thunderclouds come, and then he gets electrocuted, and then he turns black. So let's level him up to final form. Okay. So he kind of